everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today's vlog, it's all about Roberta. Roberta has a big announcement in regards to her employment at Epic Universe. Plus, we're trying to get our Earl the Squirrel scavenger hunt cards. Come on in, check it out. So guys, if you've been watching our last few vlogs, well, Roberta's news, she's been keeping it kind of quiet till it officially happens. She's gonna be able to talk about that. That's for her to talk about. But what I'm gonna talk about, and you together, is the drama we've been having trying to do this backlot scavenger hunt. It's for Earl the Squirrel, and you get these cards. If you've been watching the last couple vlogs, you've seen everything going on with it. First day it wasn't ready, you know, things missing. The next day we came, we did it, but then there was no card. Supposedly they told us it would be today. The card should be here today. And Roberta loves these kind of games and these cards, and collectible cards. So me, I'm kind of like, yeah, okay, yeah, here's my phone. You can have my cards too. Yeah. So let's go find out. So we're gonna get right to the point with these cards from the scavenger hunt. We're gonna go right inside the tribute stores where you pick up the cards after you do the hunt, scavenger hunt. It's the back lot. They use it for multi-purpose, the kiosk, and they use it for multi-purpose games and interaction throughout the park with different themes. Yeah. But we've already shown it in 2 vlogs. So if you're interested, you go check out our last 2 vlogs here, the Grinchmas one and also the holiday festivities right here in Universal Studios, Florida.
Look at that. Earl is out.
Earl is out. Let's check Earl too. And then yes, Roberta has her announcement coming up on this vlog. Let's take a look at Earl real quick first. There's Earl right there, guys. The line's actually not that bad.
No, it's not.
But I'm not gonna wait today.
Yeah.
But there he is. So cool. He's by himself today. Everybody loves Earl. If you're interested also in the story of Earl the Squirrel, I talk about that also on the opening day here at Universal's Christmas celebration. On that vlog, I give you the history of Earl the Squirrel, how he came about, and his little story. So you can check that out too. Check out everything on Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. If you haven't yet, we keep it real. We do lots of vlogs, and we both have our regular jobs. We are building our channel as we are making this one. So your support for our channel, you subscribing to the channel, will help us grow even quicker. So still no cards?
No.
So this actually, you know, at this point now, this is 3 times we've been here. 3 times, you know, we came the first day. We came basically the second day, and this is the 3rd day now in a row. So this has been something that, you know, not very good on Universal's part to have this, you know, this scavenger hunt. And they still have the things out to do it. Let me just show you. So this is called the Backlot Club. These are where you go and you do the scavenger hunts and you get the cards and the rewards and all that. Now, if they don't have the cards, maybe they should just take these off. But anyway, kind of repetitive to us now, but it is to me. On our channel, we do keep it real, and a huge, big theme park like this, to just really have this much of a failure with this kind of an activity that they're promoting. Okay, if you don't have the cards, fine, but at least like those things can move. They're like, you just move them, just take them off. Okay, you can't do it until the cards come back, then you put them back. So people are still going to be going around.
Or change the screen. It says, you know, cards are not available.
Not available, whatever. But anyway, I don't even want to talk about it anymore. It's too aggravating to me. But Roberta, you have some things you want to talk about.
Yeah.
All right. There's a lot going on here right now at Universal. It's loud. But Roberta?
Yeah.
Actually, the best way for me to do this, let me turn the camera on you so you could...
No,
that's fine. Yeah.
So... yeah, so it's time to move on, and I'm already started actually, moving on to Harry Potter area in Epic Universe. So I'm gonna be on Le Cirque Arcanu. I'm trying to practice my French. I'm gonna be in the Le Cirque Arcanu at the Cirque and also doing Magic 1. So if you guys are around and playing with Magic, I will be around, so just come and say hello. But it is time for me to move on from Stardust. I love the team. I will miss that ride, but it's a new beginning. So I'll be around. Come and say hello, and I'm open for new adventures.
Yeah, well, that's what it's all about. I mean, especially when, you know, people that are watching that don't work in theme parks. When you work in theme parks, it's good to keep moving.
Correct. So like for me, that Stardust Races was a big part of my life, because opening a new park and open a new attraction, and to be honest, one of the biggest and newest like roller coaster, it was amazing.
Absolutely.
It was an amazing experience. And again, I will miss the team. The team was amazing, is amazing. Everybody's there working, and they work so hard. I think it is just, it's time. So it's just, you know, if people know, like I did had a small break from Stardust when I did HHN. It was a lot of fun as well. A lot of people, thank you guys to stop say hello to me. But now stop say hello to me at Harry Potter.
One thing I know about you, Roberta, you're one of the hardest working people I know, and I'm not exaggerating that. And you love to do a lot of different things. Yeah. And you always follow where your heart leads you. So, okay, I think you know, this is just my opinion. You worked so hard at Stardust. Yeah. It's an amazing ride. Probably one of the best roller coasters in the United States of America, right? Yeah. And you got the opportunity to open Epic. Yeah. And then you came over and you did Halloween Horror Nights for the second season in a row. Yeah. And I think that's where your mind started saying, I really like kind of the entertainment aspect. Yeah. Now, you're still kind of considered an attractions employee, correct?
Yes, I'm still part of attractions, yes.
But in a venue that is more of an entertaining venue with a show, a production, rather than an actual ride. Yeah. And I know that's really where your heart is the production part of it.
So let's see how that is going to go.
And the other cool thing that you were explaining to everybody and to me was you get to actually, there's different positions you get to do in the Harry Potter. Yeah. How do you pronounce the show?
The Cirque Arcano.
One of the things you're able to do is with the different rotations of the jobs is you get to go around in the Harry Potter world over there, 1920s France, and help people with the magic tricks.
Yeah, so it's both. It's the Cirque Arcano and Magic Wands.
Yeah, so it's kind of a dual.
Some magic, yes.
And I think that's awesome, especially if you're watching, if you're a subscriber or you see Roberta in the park. You go and do some tricks with her when she's doing it.
Come and say hello.
So I think it's awesome, and of course, always support Roberta, and I know you guys do too. Yeah. She's a hard worker, and I know that, you know, you're going to move on from this and do something else in the future. Yeah. But right now, that's where you're at. Yeah. I'm very happy for you. It's kind of a lateral move. It's not like, you know, but a preference for you, right? Yeah. Yeah, so awesome. So there you have it, Roberta. Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Awesome. Happy. Always good to move on, try new things. And I was mentioning, Roberta, earlier that when you work in the theme parks, if you know, and I'm sure anybody watching this is a cast member or a team member here knows, you move around a lot. You have to keep your brain fresh. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Yeah. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least.
Wait a minute. And when we get the cards, we're going to show you.
Oh, not this. See ya!